Itong view na to guys, pipicturean namin. Cast the board.
Hi, how you guys doing?
Good.
Have you guys been here before?
No,
No, first time. Okay. I'll be your server. Can I get you guys anything to start with, like drink? How's the food? All good?
Good.
Drinks good as well?
Yeah.
Awesome. Anything I can get you guys? Or you guys okay?
Thank you. Sabi niya, pang single lang daw yung pagkain. Guys, hindi. Serving ng pagkain dito. For the 3 person. Busog. Isang serve. Tapos balance yung mga meal. May gulay. May protein. Okay, so nakikita niyo sa likod ko. Hindi yan libro. Iba-ibang board games yan. Ang pangalan na kinakainan namin, Across the Board. Kasi kakain ka and then you're gonna play. If you want to muna. $12 per person when you play. Siguro, whole day lang silang nagpe-play ng game. Tapos magpa-popcorn ka lang, ganun. Kung gusto mo lang maglaro talaga.